Welcome everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on the shared responsibility model. We'll be exploring how database management and platform security work together. Over the next few slides, we'll cover the key concepts and best practices to help you understand your role and responsibilities. So, let's get started. Welcome to this slide on introduction. Here, I want to emphasize that security responsibilities are shared between the provider and the customer. This shared approach helps ensure a secure and reliable cloud environment for everyone involved. It's also essential to define clear roles when it comes to infrastructure, platform, and data security. By doing so, we can better protect your information and maintain compliance with relevant regulations. This collaboration is a key part of the overall partnership between ServiceNow and our customers, ensuring that security is a collective effort and a top priority. So let's dive into what the shared responsibility model actually is. Essentially, it defines how security responsibilities are divided between ServiceNow, as the provider, and you, the customer. This division helps clarify who is responsible for what, making sure that both parties know their roles in maintaining a secure environment. It's designed to ensure security, compliance, and reliability across the platform. This model is built on the foundation of cloud service architecture, which means it's tailored to fit the unique aspects of cloud-based services. By understanding this, you can better manage your part of the security picture. Overall, the goal is to help you maintain a secure and controlled environment where responsibilities are clear and everyone works together to keep the system safe. This concept is key to understanding how ServiceNow supports your security and compliance efforts effectively. Now, let's take a look at the responsibilities of the service provider. First, they manage the infrastructure, servers, and data centers, which means they handle the physical and virtual hardware that supports our platform. Ensuring platform availability and performance is crucial, so they work hard to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. This includes handling system upgrades and patching, making sure software stays up to date and secure without causing downtime. They also provide platform-level security and encryption to protect our data from unauthorized access. Lastly, maintaining compliance certifications is essential. It demonstrates that they meet industry standards and regulations, giving us confidence in their ability to securely and reliably support our operations. All these responsibilities are key to ensuring that the platform remains secure, reliable, and high-performing, which ties directly into our overall goal of delivering a seamless experience for our users. Let's take a closer look at shared responsibilities, which are crucial for maintaining a secure and compliant environment. First, data security and privacy are at the core of our efforts. It's about protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access and ensuring that privacy standards are upheld across the board. Next, we have Identity and Access Management, or IAM. This involves managing who has access to what, making sure that only authorized individuals can reach specific systems or data. Proper IAM practices help us prevent security breaches caused by weak or mismanaged access controls. Then there's compliance and regulatory requirements. Staying aligned with industry standards and legal obligations is not just a box to check. It's vital for maintaining trust and avoiding penalties. We need to continuously monitor and adapt to changing regulations. Finally, monitoring and incident response are about being vigilant and prepared. Constant monitoring allows us to detect potential threats early, and a well-defined incident response plan ensures we can react quickly and effectively if a security incident occurs. Overall, these shared responsibilities create a collaborative framework that helps us safeguard our assets, comply with regulations, and respond swiftly to any challenges that arise. Let's take a closer look at the security mechanisms in ServiceNow. First, we have access control, or ACLs, which are essential for defining who can access what within the system. These controls help ensure that only authorized users can view or modify sensitive data, which is fundamental to maintaining security and compliance. Next, there's multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity through multiple methods, like a password plus a temporary code sent to their phone. It significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, especially in today's threat landscape. Then we have data encryption. This means that data stored in ServiceNow is encrypted both at rest and in transit. Encryption protects information from being intercepted or accessed maliciously, ensuring confidentiality and integrity of critical data. Finally, audit logs and monitoring play a vital role. They track all user activity and system changes, providing an audit trail. This not only helps in detecting suspicious activity, but also supports compliance efforts and incident investigations. Connecting these points to our overall theme, these security mechanisms collectively create a robust defense framework within ServiceNow, empowering organizations to protect their data and operations effectively. Let's talk about infrastructure security. This is a crucial aspect of our overall security strategy because it ensures that our data and systems are protected at the foundational level. First, physical data center security is key. We've implemented strict access controls, surveillance, and environmental protections to prevent unauthorized physical access. Next, network protection plays a vital role. We use advanced firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption to safeguard our data as it moves across networks. It's about creating multiple layers of defense to keep malicious actors out. System monitoring and patching is another critical component. Regular monitoring helps us detect any unusual activity early, and timely patching ensures our systems stay up to date against known vulnerabilities. All these efforts are managed seamlessly through ServiceNow, providing us with a centralized platform to oversee and coordinate our security measures efficiently. By maintaining robust infrastructure security, we're building a strong foundation that supports the overall integrity and resilience of our entire environment. Let's talk about application and data security. When it comes to data handling and storage, it's crucial to ensure that all information is managed securely, protecting it from unauthorized access or breaches. This involves implementing robust security measures throughout the data lifecycle. Securing applications and workflows is equally important to prevent vulnerabilities that could be exploited. This is a shared responsibility, managed jointly by ServiceNow and the customer. By working together, we can create a comprehensive security environment that not only safeguards data, but also supports seamless operations and compliance. This collaborative approach is key to maintaining trust and resilience in our overall security strategy. Let's talk about identity and access management, which is a crucial part of securing any system. This involves user authentication and authorization, making sure the right people have access to the right resources. Authentication is about verifying who someone is, while authorization determines what they are allowed to do once they're in. A key concept here is role-based access control, or RBAC, which simplifies managing permissions by assigning users to roles based on their responsibilities. Instead of handling permissions individually, you define roles with specific access rights and assign users accordingly. It's important to note that the management of this process is mainly handled by the customer. They are responsible for setting up and maintaining these roles and permissions, which gives them control, but also requires careful oversight. Overall, effective identity and access management is fundamental to maintaining security and ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive data or systems. It ties into the bigger picture of protecting our digital assets and maintaining trust. Let's take a moment to look at the benefits of adopting a shared responsibility model. First, it clearly establishes accountability. When everyone knows their specific roles and responsibilities, it becomes easier to ensure that security and compliance are maintained effectively. This clarity helps prevent gaps and overlaps that could lead to vulnerabilities. Next, we see that it improves our overall security posture. By sharing responsibilities, both cloud providers and users work together to implement best practices, making it harder for threats to succeed. It's about creating a stronger, more resilient environment. Better risk management is another key benefit. When responsibilities are shared, potential risks are identified and addressed more proactively. This collaborative approach ensures we're better prepared for any issues that might arise. Finally, it leads to more efficient cloud operations. With clear responsibilities, teams can focus on their specific tasks without confusion, streamlining processes, and enabling quicker responses to incidents or changes. Overall, these benefits reinforce the core idea that shared responsibility is essential for a secure, effective, and well-managed cloud environment. In conclusion, I want to emphasize the importance of the shared responsibility model. It's really the foundation for ensuring balanced security in the cloud. ServiceNow takes care of securing the platform itself, while you, as the customer, are responsible for protecting your data and managing access. This division of responsibilities is key to maintaining a secure environment. But what's equally important is the collaboration between the provider and the user. When both sides work together effectively, it creates a much stronger security posture and allows for scalable, reliable cloud usage. So remember, security isn't just one person's job, it's a shared effort. And understanding these roles helps us all contribute to a safer, more resilient cloud experience.